Okay, friends, so we did have the standard build-a-grade laundry room with the wire shelving. I absolutely hate wire shelving, and I'm trying to get all of this removed out of my home. But this was the washer and dryer that we had prior to the new one that we purchased back in January. We had this one for 12 years. Definitely did us some good, but it was time to replace it. And I absolutely love this set that we got from Lowe's. So speaking of Lowe's, we're headed back there because we do need some cabinets. And because the laundry room is already very narrow, I wanted something a little more slim. So we decided to go with these. Of course, we had to put them together and they came in 1,000 pieces as always. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm always putting something together on my channel. It's a little therapeutic though, so I don't absolutely hate it, but it's not the most fun thing to do. We also purchased the blue Billy bookcase a few months ago when we did our pantry makeover. So this has been put together for a while and it matched the washer and dryer perfectly. So we'll pretty much be using that as the linen closet in the laundry room. And this is how it looks in there. I just threw all of the cleaning supplies in there temporarily until I get the storage items that I need to make everything look a little more put together. But we're going to remove everything out of here because we'll be taking this wire shelving down. Okay, friends, this is the next day. As you can see by the lighting, all of the wire shelving has been removed. My husband went ahead and patched up all of the holes in the walls, and we just have to do some touch-up painting. So I was debating on where I wanted the accent wall to be. I definitely wanted an accent wall. I was going to go with the larger wall where the washer and dryer is, but I decided to make the smaller wall where the window is as soon as you walk in. I wanted that to be the accent wall, which that was my husband's idea. But this is the sink that we're going to get installed. We purchased that from Home Depot, I believe. And we did hire a contractor off of Facebook Marketplace because we don't know anything about plumbing. We wanted to make sure we hired a professional to get this installed for us. We also decided to replace the outlet cover and the light switch cover as well. I usually get these off of Amazon. I'll be sure to link these down in the description box below if you are interested. I do have a collective haul from Amazon. We're going to start with these laundry baskets. I wanted to go with the collapsible ones because they are so easy to store away and you don't have to worry about those bulky items in your laundry room. So I decided to get these. They came 2 in the pack and I absolutely love them. I wanted a runner in here as well. This is a washable one and I really do like the abstract look of this rug. These pictures came from Ross. They were 2 in a pack for $20. As you can see, my theme is blue and gold. I did purchase more of these drawers. I used these in our pantry makeover and I really love these. You can get so many items in here. They do have different sizes as well. We have the hangers and I want to say these came from Ross or Burlington. I'll have it up on the screen for you guys. I got these dispensers as well and you can easily store your laundry detergent in here as well as the scent boosters. They are very lightweight and they come with the labels as well. All right, I also purchased another cover for the ironing board and I got this item, but I think I might be returning it because the gold is a little too bright for me, but you can hang your clothes on that. Since we removed all of the wire shelving, we don't put all of our clothes in the dryer, so I wanted some hanging space. So I got 3 different styles and I'll see which ones I like the best. We'll be replacing the light fixture as well. I really wanted something simple but that was also going to tie in with the decor that I'll be incorporating in the laundry room. I wanted to show you all these cabinets that I found on TikTok Shop. They actually had these on Amazon as well, but they were cheaper on TikTok Shop. It is two of them, and they are the tilt out laundry hampers. I don't have the inserts in here right now. Okay, I put one insert in and this is how it looks, but I do have some liners that I'll be putting inside of here. It's actually some washable bags because of the material and because you obviously can't put these in the washing machine. I really wanted something that I can wash. If it's not anything I can wash, I want to make sure it's something that I can wipe out. Once you start putting towels and dirty clothes in here, it's probably going to create a smell, and I definitely don't want that. So I'll be adding those bags before we start making use of these. So the knobs that you see right here, these are the ones that came with it, but I don't like the way that these look. So I already had these. I just had to order another pack because I didn't have enough, but I used this when I put together our dressers in our room, and I added this hardware to that. But because they do not line up properly, we're just gonna have to fill in the holes to make this work. But I like these a whole lot better, so we're gonna take care of that. And the other thing, so this is the sink that we have here. The only thing I have stored under here right now is this upholstery cleaner, and then on the other side I can use that to store some items as well. So another thing, now that we have the cabinets here, the ones that we got from Lowe's, I was gonna put them on this wall right here, but it would make more sense for them to go right above these cabinets, especially since they're white. And I did mention the accent wall, so this back wall right here will be the accent wall. And I purchased some wallpaper, but I thought it was going to be a little too busy. I didn't want too many patterns in here, so I sent that back, and I'm going to create my own wallpaper. I'm actually going to print out some decals and put that on this wall. I'll be sure to share that with you all whenever I decide to do it, but it's coming along slowly but surely. We do have some other things that we have to get before we start putting everything together. And as far as some counter space, so I kind of regret getting the risers for this. I mean, it probably would have made a little more sense if we had the risers that had the storage space underneath, but what's done is done. We have them, and the window to return them, we are out of that window, so we're just gonna have to live with this. So the next time you guys see this laundry room, it will be a total transformation, and I'm so excited about it. And I was so happy to find these cabinets here because it's definitely going to save a bunch of space instead of having all of these baskets here, especially, and also the collapsible ones that I found as well. But surprisingly, these were only $62 a piece on TikTok Shop, and they were $130 on Amazon. So if you are interested, I'll be sure to link that down in the description box below. But that was definitely a steal. The same exact cabinets, and we just have to add the hardware. So I'm excited about that. And I like that they are very narrow because you can see our laundry room is very slim, as I mentioned. So I wanted to keep that in mind as far as choosing items that wasn't going to be so bulky, so we can still move around in here. Okay, friends, I know today was a short video, but I just wanted to give you all an update on how the laundry room makeover is going. So give me about 2 weeks and I will have an update for you all. Hopefully everything will be complete. But as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth